Hi guys, this is Nilio Discover Tricks for High Stakers. For high stakers only, those that can stake high, this is for you. This is all for today. High stakers, you are all welcome on this new strategy for high stakers. Those that can stake high, this is for you. So you chat me on WhatsApp if you can stake high. It's a one-time subscription that lasts for a lifetime subscription. It's not a monthly subscription, it's a lifetime subscription for high stakers only. I didn't say those that can stake low, it's for those that can stake high, who is capable and able to stake high with this kind of odds. So if you are able and capable to stake high, can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. The WhatsApp showing on this video. Use it to chat me on WhatsApp. Alright guys,